Are you still paying 4,000 rupees a month for Adobe Creative Cloud in 2025? What if I told you that in 2025 you can get 90% of what Adobe offers for free and legally? No trials, no cracks, just real tools that work. Now let's upgrade your creativity without downgrading your wallet. Let's start with the one thing that everyone touches at one point: design. Thumbnails, logos, Instagram creatives, you name it. Instead of Photoshop, try Photopea. It's literally Photoshop in your browser. Open PSDs, use layers, blend modes, it even supports smart objects. You don't need to install anything, just type photopea.com and start editing, even on a potato laptop. And if you're into vector design, you know logos, icons, clean UI elements, check out Vectornator. Vectornator on Mac and iPad gives Illustrator level power for free. On Windows or Linux, go with Inkscape. Ugly UI but killer under the hood. So basically, if you want editing for Pixar, you aren't missing anything. Now for video editors. Premiere Pro is great and all until you realize your bank account's crying. So switch to DaVinci Resolve. I'm not even exaggerating here. It's built like a tank. You've got a cut page for fast editing, edit page for timeline work, color tab for Hollywood level color grading, and a fusion tab for advanced motion graphics. Oh, and if you're a YouTuber, it even has a Fairlight tab just for pro level audio editing. So the free version already beats 80% of Premiere's feature set. The only thing it won't do, burn a hole in your wallet. Now what if you're doing podcast, audio editing, or just need your mic to sound less like a toaster? I've got you covered. Enter Audacity, still the OG for voice recording and cleanup. You get noise reduction, compression, equalizer, the essentials. But yeah, let's be real, Audacity looks like it hadn't had a date since 2005. That's where Osen Audio steps in. Real-time effect previews, clean layout, zero learning curve. Record, edit, upload. You are done, and all without dropping a single rupee. Alright motion designers, if After Effects makes your PC scream louder than your editor, I got you. Meet Blender. Yeah, it's known for 3D and all, but did you know Blender can do motion graphics too? With its compositing tab, VSE and Grease Pencil, you can animate, add text, keyframes, even make 2D motion videos all for free. And if that's too much for you, here's a cheat sheet. Try Canva's Animate Tools or Motionity, a free browser-based motion graphics editor. So yeah, if you've got an idea, you don't need 1600 rupees a month to bring it to life. You just need the right tools. Alright, we have done design, video, audio, even animation. But now let's talk about one thing that everyone hates: PDFs. Whether you are a student, freelancer, or just trying to send a filled form, Adobe still expects you to pay monthly. Like really? Here's your free rescue. Sejda PDF. It's browser based, clean and actually fast. Merge files, compress size, split pages, film forms, add signatures, zero installs and no watermarks drama. I've used this for college work, freelance docs, even brand forms. It's never failed me. And it works on Mac, Windows, Chromebook, literally anything with a browser. A quick recap before your brain explodes with value. All free, all legal, all actually usable. And hey, no more trial expired messages at 2 AM. No trial periods, no monthly regrets. Just free, legal tools that actually work in 2025. If this video saved even a rupee, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a fire in the comments if you are ready to break up with Adobe. And if you want a part 2 with more underrated tools, you know what to do. Subscribe and stay tuned. I've got heat dropping every week.